Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Leonie Ballesteros Amar, and I'm 39 years old, and I'm married, and I have 3 kids, ages of 11 years old boy, and 2 girls, age of 7 and 2 years old. And we are 6 members of the family, and I'm the eldest, and I live in Barangay Mabini, Alicia Isabela. I'm a high school graduate, and I took a vocational food and beverage and services.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid. I serve with the 2 elderly and 3 adults and 2 children, ages of 6 years old and 11 years old boy. And I'm cook. I'm cooking food and wash clothes and laundry, and I'm taking care of kids also.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick and hot, I set the temperature and call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking and a loyal person and trustworthy.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I am a cesarean operation 3 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad is to provide my family needs, especially my children in their future needs.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus on my job.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Usually, I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up in 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I need to be patient and to be calm myself.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir, like ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Choose me as your helper, and I promise to help you and your family, and I serve you with all my strength to serve your family. Thank you.